has always strived for the horizon. We crossed the oceans, conquered the sky, broke into space, but all this was just a prelude. Soon we will become an interplanetary species, then interstellar, and one day, masters of the galaxy. This is not science fiction. This is inevitability, and here is how it can happen. The first step to the stars does not begin on Mars, but here on the Moon. Why? Because our satellite is the perfect space testing ground, fuel depot and construction site all in one. By the 2040s, the first permanent base will appear at the south pole of the Moon. These are not temporary tents, as in the Apollo missions. This is a real scientific and industrial complex where water from the eternal ice will become a source of drinking, oxygen, and rocket fuel. Solar power plants on the illuminated peaks will supply the base with energy for centuries. "3D printing from regolith will make it possible to build protective domes and hangars without delivering materials from Earth. The Moon is not just a stone ball above our heads, it is the first stage of space civilization. Here we will learn to live in deep space. Here our path to the stars will begin. The year is 2060. The red planet is no longer a silent desert. Here, under the domes of the first Martian city, a new branch of human civilization is born: underground hive cities, multi-level tunnels with farms and living modules, protected by a 10-meter layer of regolith from cosmic rays. Artificial magnetic field, orbital magnet stations that will stop the leakage of the atmosphere and create a proto-shield from solar radiation. This is just the beginning. In 200 years, Mars will be transformed. The temperature will rise to 0 degrees Celsius. Salty lakes, a thin but breathable atmosphere. But even if it becomes a second Earth, Mars will only be a springboard. The Earth is limited, but space has endless resources. Platinum asteroids, trillions of dollars in mines, space factories, building materials for orbital cities. Fuel for starships, hydrogen and oxygen from ice. This is a new gold rush, and it will make space economically viable. Beyond the asteroid belt, there are entire worlds waiting for us. Europa, a subglacial ocean, possibly with life. Titan, hydrocarbon seas, a base for interstellar ships. Helium mines on Uranus, fuel for thermonuclear reactors. Here we will build our final outpost before jumping to other stars. When our colonies spread across the galaxy, when hundreds of worlds call humans home, we will face our greatest challenge. A thirst for energy that cannot be quenched by planetary resources. The Dyson sphere is not just a megastructure. It is the ultimate energy source. Every second it will collect 10 billion times more energy than the entire Earth produces today. A cosmic catalyst. With such power, we will be able to launch thousands of interstellar ships every year, create artificial worlds the size of Jupiter, reroute entire star systems, the great filter of development, a technological frontier separating planetary civilizations from galactic ones. This is not the end of the road. This is the beginning of a new era. Humanity will become a Type 2 civilization on the Kardashev scale. We are the first generation to go beyond the cradle. Of course, we will not see the largest transformation of humanity. But this path will begin in our lifetime.